Asda Mobile versus Lebara 2025. Which network should you choose? Choosing the right mobile network in 2025 can be tricky, and Asda Mobile and Lebara are two budget-friendly options worth considering. But which one should you pick? Asda Mobile runs on Vodafone's network, offering solid coverage across the UK. Most people get this wrong. They assume budget networks always have poor service, but Asda Mobile delivers reliable calls and speeds with flexible pay-as-you-go or SIM-only plans. You won't believe what happens next. They also offer data rollover, allowing unused data to carry forward, which is perfect for light users. Lebara uses Vodafone or O infrastructure, depending on the plan. Its focus is international calls, making it ideal for users with family abroad. Lebara also offers competitive bundles with generous data allowances, though network speeds may vary slightly depending on your location. Pricing and plan flexibility differ. Asda Mobile is simple, affordable, and great for domestic usage. Lebara provides slightly more expensive options, but adds value with international calling and multi-network choices. So, which should you choose? For general UK usage and budget-friendly plans, Asda Mobile is the smarter choice. For international calling and flexible network options, Lebara shines. The surprising truth is that low-cost networks today can rival big providers in reliability, but the best choice always comes down to your usage habits and priorities.